This is a DIY slimline pallet wood end table, the ultimate clutter-free storage solution.
Time right behind my back, and I'm talking to myself.